Right now I'm standing in a corner. I see you.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. Today's video is a realistic clean with me, so I'm going around doing things that I normally do on a daily basis to keep my house nice and tidy and looking clean and fresh. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and also go ahead and leave this video a thumbs up, and let's just jump straight into it. So the first thing that I needed to get done this morning was my washing. I just need to get it all folded up and put away. I've got a few tops that need ironing, but the rest of it can just be put away as is. So I'm just going to go around and fold it all up, get it all put away. So this laundry room is finally empty, ready for the next wash load.
This place, I'll take you anywhere you want. As long as we're together, everything we'll do. You got me going, oh, you got me going, oh. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, let me love. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, let me love. Baby, let me love you. When I look in your eyes, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It's almost like you make me fly. And when I look at you smile, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. Oh! Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, let me love, let me love you. I'm acting surprised, but I know I'm not over you. Keep missing a fight, even though they're so overdue. We had a fire, now we're watching it burn low. Isn't it time we go our separate ways? Not enough time, not enough time. I'm falling behind, I hate to separate my...
So once I had all that done, it was time to head downstairs and sort out the kitchen. I do the washing up every single morning, even though I do it every single night before I go to bed. There's always stuff left from the night before or new stuff from the morning, so I'm just going to go ahead and get that all washed and dried up so I can then go in and clean the sink and finish the rest of the kitchen.
Pushing all my triggers, losing my pride, but I guess that's what love do to people like us, struggling to come through. We had a fire, now we watch it burn out. Isn't it time we go our separate ways? Not enough time, not enough time. I'm falling behind, I hate to separate my body and mind, my body and mind. You feel like demons in my mind, demons in my mind. You taste like demons in my mind, demons pushing all my triggers. acting surprised.
So cleaning the sink is one of my favourite things to do. I love a nice shiny sink. So today I'm going in with the Flash All Purpose Spray in the Spiced Apple because it smells gorgeous, and I'm going to give it a good scrub over with a Minky. I'm then going to go back over it with a dry microfiber cloth and the white vinegar spray. This has actually just become a habit. I never used to do it, but I really feel like the white vinegar buffs it up even more and just leaves it that extra bit shiny. So I do this every single time I clean the sink.
Tastes like demons in my mind. Demons pushing all my triggers. 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 Demons pushing all my triggers.
Next, I'm going to fill the sink with my warm cinnamon Sephora. If you've been here before, you know I do this pretty much every single day. I love doing this. And then I go over all of the sides and cupboards and drawers and everything with the diluted Sephora water, just to make sure everything has been disinfected and it's clean for the day, whilst giving it such a gorgeous smell. I love leaving it in the sink as well for a few hours because it just makes the whole kitchen smell super festive and super cozy.
$1 for every time you slam the door. I would be the richest girl alive, if you hadn't run away. Every time I asked you stay, you would sleep right next to me tonight. No, you didn't want me, all you wanted was a game to play, and you couldn't handle that I had my ways. Around your mind tricks and your side chicks, I'm a winner, babe. No, you didn't win this, it's a part.
I really hope you're enjoying today's video so far. If you are and it's given you all the motivation that you came looking for today, then please do go ahead and leave this video a thumbs up, and also consider subscribing to my channel before you leave, because it would mean the world to me to have you here as part of my little YouTube family, because your support means everything to me. And if you could also share this video with family and friends who you think might be interested in this type of content, it really does help my channel grow and it helps me reach more people, and your support just means the absolute world. Next up, I need to head through into the front room and whiz round and just give it a good tidy up. As you can see, it's looking very disheveled today, and I need to get it looking a lot more put together. So I'm just going to go around, putting everything back where it belongs, sorting out the blankets and cushions, getting rid of any rubbish, and just sorting out all of Cinnabon's toys and stuff, just to get it looking a lot more together and cozy.
Man, I really love to play, and now that I won, then it's safe to say you didn't want me, all you wanted was a game to play, and you couldn't handle that I had my ways. Around your mind tricks and your side chicks, I'm a winner.
So I've actually lost count of the amount of times I've watched Friends. I literally know it word for word, but I just think it's the perfect programme to have on in the background. I don't have to pay attention to it, but when I do, it always makes me laugh, even though I know what's coming up and I know exactly what they're about to say. It still makes me laugh every single time, so I always have that on in the background lately. But I'm just going to go around and do all the dusting and just making sure everything is nice and fresh. I just think it makes such a difference when it's had a good dust. But I really hope you've enjoyed today's video. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you back here in the next one.